If you're looking to create a landing page in LeadPages, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and fast. Stick around because I'm also going to share some key insights on LeadPages limitations and alternatives that might be a better fit for your business. First off, after logging into LeadPages, the first thing you'll notice is the clean, user-friendly dashboard. To start creating your landing page, click on Create New Landing Page at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to choose from a variety of pre-designed templates, or you can start from scratch if you prefer. Templates are great if you're looking to save time, but they can feel a bit restrictive when it comes to customization. Keep that in mind. Next, you'll select a template that fits your style or goal. Once you've made your choice, it's time to customize it. In the editor, you can change text, add images, and tweak the layout. One of the features I like about LeadPages is its drag and drop editor. This makes it incredibly easy to move things around without any coding knowledge. But the fourth thing to consider is that while it's easy, it doesn't offer the same depth of customization that more advanced platforms do. After you're happy with the design, next thing is to integrate your landing page with your email marketing software. LeadPages supports a ton of integrations like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and others. You'll need to connect your account to automatically capture leads and build your email list. The fifth thing to focus on is the call to action button. This is one of the most important parts of your landing page, and LeadPages lets you customize it easily. Make sure your CTA is clear and stands out. Test different CTAs to see which one drives the most conversions. Now, let's talk about one limitation of LeadPages. If you're looking for advanced analytics and deep tracking features, LeadPages can be a bit lacking. You'll get some basic data on how your page is performing, but if you need more detailed insights, you might want to explore other options. Once everything is set up, don't forget to preview your landing page to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. LeadPages has a mobile responsive design, but you still want to check how your page will appear on different devices. Finally, you're ready to publish. Hit the Publish button and your landing page is live. It's that simple. But before you go, let's talk about alternatives. LeadPages does a great job for beginners, but if you're looking for something with more flexibility and robust analytics, I've found that other platforms may suit your needs better. I'll tell you about one of them in just a second. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that I've got an exclusive and extended free trial available for LeadPages through my link in the description. But here's the kicker, I've also added some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific goals, and they also offer free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Make sure to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.